Hello guys, welcome to Eben Media once again. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about how to set, bass guitar tone on the keyboard. During praise, you want to tune your keyboard to the bass guitar standard. This lesson is for you. So one of my subscribers, requested this tutorial, so I'm doing it, and then I'm going to post it for each and everyone to, benefit from it. So if you happen to be a first timer coming across Eben Media, this is what we do. We do Ghanaian music, we master Ghanaian praise, Ghanaian worship, Ghanaian strings, and other songs as well. Do to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment right below in the comment section. Good. So without wasting my time, by default, the keyboard is set to piano, okay? By default, it is being tuned to piano. Good. So with the African context or with the Ghanaian style of playing praise, in most of these churches where you don't have a bass guitarist, you can tune this keyboard to have the bass guitar on the left side or the bass or the lower part of the keyboard, and then you have EP or other tones that you prefer at the upper side of the keyboard. So basically, to do this, you have to press and hold shift, then add split. Okay, so you press and hold. You press and you hold the shift. Okay, then add the split. So once you add the split, you are going to see this finger bass by default being displayed on your screen. I don't use finger bass. I choose to use the pick bass. Okay, so then you use this knob category search, and then you toggle to pick bass. So once you get to pick bass, you don't hear the pick bass sound. So to hear the pick bass sound, then you press on the split. Once you press on the split, it means that you are going to have this pick bass sound being heard on the lower part of the keyboard or the bass part of the keyboard. So this is it. So to have the pick bass here. So I'm not done. I'll press on function 2 times. So 1, 2. Then I have my S voice here. So I want to increase the volume. You want the bass to dominate. So but there's a kind of reverb in case you listen with an earpiece or an in-ear monitor. You're going to hear that there's a kind of reverb on the bass. You can just take the reverb off by pressing the enter here once, and then you get to S reverb. Then you press enter again. Then we cut off the reverb. So the sound is kind of dry. You can add a little reverb. Okay, good. Then we can increase the split point. The bass is up to this side. It's up to here. I want us to increase the split point to this part so that the bass will be, we can also get the bass sound at the middle E key. Okay, so once you press enter again, then you use this category search, then you toggle to split point, then you press enter. Let's increase it to 66. Let's do it to 65, 64 instead. Okay, so I'm using pick bass, and then I increase the split point. Now let me choose the main voice or the voice for the main part. You press on the voice, and then you're back to piano. So let me change it to suitcase. I want the suitcase. Okay, so with this Yamaha PSR E473, anytime you set the tone, you are going to get the reverb or the display kind of echoes. Let's cut it off by pressing function 2 times. 1, 2, 1, and then we find M. You can cut off the reverb here. You press enter again. So to that subscriber who requested for the tone I've been using, I use pick bass, but you might be deceived in one or the other because I'm recording through an analog mixer board with the help of my audio interface or my audio sound card. Yeah, so I'm hoping to do a tutorial on how I record my sound to get that clear or perfect sound. Good. So that's it. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and then like the video. Bye bye.